Hello and welcome to Mizter Octa, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and its wonders. Today, we will be discussing the future of space exploration and the latest discoveries in this field. Space exploration has been an ongoing affair for decades, and the world has seen many significant advancements in this field. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent times is the detection of water on Mars. This discovery has opened up new avenues for exploration and research. And it has also raised questions about the possibility of human colonization of the Red Planet. Another exciting development in space exploration is the development of new technologies that could revolutionize the way we travel through space. One such technology is the Hyperlane, which is a high-performance spacecraft that could travel at speeds faster than the speed of light, which is currently theoretical. This technology could pave the way for faster and more efficient space travel, allowing humanity to travel to other planets and galaxies faster than ever before. However, with these exciting developments comes the challenge of funding space exploration. Space travel is expensive, and it requires a significant amount of funding to develop and test new technologies. This has led to debates about the future of space exploration and the role of government and private sector funding in this field. Despite these challenges, the future of space exploration looks bright. With new discoveries and advancements being made every day, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the years to come. From exploring new planets to studying the universe's deepest secrets, space exploration has much to offer us in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this discussion on the future of space exploration. Join us next time for another exciting episode of Mizter Octa. And I'll see you next time.